Let's learn how to calculate the monthly loan installment by the use of Excel formula. For this, we need to know about the price of the loan. Okay. Then we need to annual interest rate. Then we will calculate the monthly interest rate, means 5 divided by 12 number of months. Then the duration of the loan is 20 years. We will convert it into number of months by simply 20 multiplied by 12. This will give us the number of months. So in order to calculate what would be our monthly loan installment, we use the financial function PLC. Okay, bracket start. Clicking on the formula bar, we just have to select the values. First of all, since we have to calculate the monthly loan installment, so we will be calculating using the monthly interest rate, which is D5. Then is number of year, number of month, that is 240. Then this is the PV is the present value of the loan that we have to pay, right? Then we just have to click enter. PV is the present value, means total amount that the series of future payment is done. So our answer would be, if we out of it at 1979.87.